So you can see, who knows the order of all these videos. So I'm trying to bulk everything in, because the bulk is the easy part. It's the fine adjusting, dialing everything in that takes the longest. So we're going with an EFI hardware, IDA setup, twin throttle body. It's a pro taper. It's a 55 5350. Alright guys, so this is what we had, and it's big, bulky. This is what we're going to. Still for 12A, like, all the same. I guess I could have laid that out a little bit better. Yeah. Flange to flange, pretty with each other. A lot smaller of a package for this guy. So, like I said, EFI hardware, pro taper, 55 at the throat, 53 at the plates, 50 at the base. I believe this to be a mazdatrix lower. But yeah, I mean, pro taper, just hoping for big improvements going to something like this. Just way better quality control, precision versus let's make something as cheap as we can. Like, this aluminum gouges super easy. I wrenched one of these nuts on, not really on purpose, and then loosened it, didn't even touch the aluminum. Like, just better aluminum. This is the older version. This is the cast. The ones they make now are 100% billet and machined. But regardless, it's the same thing. I talked to the guys over there, and he's like, it is exactly the same. They just CNC them now instead of cast them. And I'm fine with that. Like I said, I got a smoking deal. For this, I got a mega squirt with it, a bunch of fittings and wire connectors and just a ton of stuff. Killer deal. Get you guys some lower POV action. And yes, I will be putting a new gasket and O-rings and everything. We're not cinching it on. We just gotta see all the real estate we have now. And yeah, we have some real estate. Yeah. I should have took a measurement before, but it was probably here. Now I have way more room. And honestly, I think I like this better for my intake design. Just got to change a few things up. I'll just make up a different base plate. Because yes, I can order all this stuff, but right now is not the time to be ordering stuff from other countries. I know it sucks if you're in those said countries that have these guys. I'm with you. I I'd rather just order it from you, because that makes my life simple. But I'll make it. Plus, in this scenario, it's all got to be custom stuff. And the reason my first one won't work, or buying one, the actual intake hat, is I need to now run this S4 water pump neck. As you can see, the entire cooling pack's out. That's getting completely changed. And in order to do that, I need a cap up here.